So, dear friends, let's take a moment to pause and acknowledge that you have chosen to spend this time with yourself. Now, let's get right into it. Have you ever felt stuck or held back by certain energies in your life? Perhaps you've sensed blockages that keep you from moving forward, from fully thinking about joy, abundance, or love. If that resonates with you, I want you to know that you are not alone. Many of us encounter these energy blockages, and the good news is we have the power to clear them. Over the next 3 days, I invite you to engage in a simple yet profound practice that can help you release these blockages and open up to a new flow of energy in your life. It's a practice that can awaken your spirit, inspire your heart, and bring about the changes you've been longing for. So, what is this practice? It's a 3-day affirmation journey that centers around love, gratitude, and self-acceptance. Affirmations are powerful tools. They are like seeds planted in your mind, nurturing the beautiful garden of your life. By repeating positive statements about yourself and your reality, you can shift your energy and change your thoughts. On day 1, I encourage you to start your morning by standing in front of a mirror. Look deeply into your eyes and say to yourself, "I love and accept myself completely just as I am." As you say this, really feel the words resonate within you. Allow love to flow through your body and fill every corner of your being. You may notice some resistance or negative thoughts trying to creep in, but don't let them distract you. Acknowledge them and gently return your focus to the affirmation. Throughout the day, whenever you feel doubt or negativity, repeat this affirmation in your mind. Each time you do, you are reinforcing your self-worth and opening yourself up to greater possibilities. As the day comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on what you experienced. What emotions came up for you? Did you notice any blockages? Write down your feelings in a journal. This practice of reflection will help you gain clarity and insight into the patterns that have been holding you back. On day 2, let's build upon this foundation. Begin your day with a new affirmation. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer. Repeat this affirmation in front of the mirror, just as you did the day before. Allow yourself to feel the weight of those words. You are worthy, and it's time to believe it. As you go through your day, keep an eye out for opportunities to express gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to blockages. When you focus on what you are grateful for, you shift your energy into a higher vibration. Take a moment to appreciate the small things, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the smile of a stranger, or the taste of your favorite food. In the evening, take time to write down 3 things you are grateful for. This practice will help you cultivate a mindset of abundance and attract more positivity into your life. On day 3, let's culminate this journey with the affirmation, I release all that no longer serves me. This is your time to let go. Stand in front of the mirror, look into your eyes, and speak these words with conviction. As you do, visualize any negative energy, old beliefs, or harmful habits dissipating. Imagine them floating away, leaving you feeling light and free. Throughout this day, be aware of any lingering blockages or negativity. Acknowledge them without judgment and affirm your power to let them go. You might find it helpful to write down anything you wish to release on a piece of paper, and then dispose of it as a symbolic act of letting go. At the end of the day, take a moment to celebrate yourself. Reflect on the journey you've taken over the past 3 days. What have you learned? How do you feel? Celebrate your commitment to your own growth and healing. As you continue this practice beyond these 3 days, remember that this journey is not just about clearing blockages, it's about cultivating a loving relationship with yourself. When you nurture your spirit and acknowledge your worth, you create a life that flows with ease and joy. I want to remind you that it's perfectly normal for old patterns to resurface from time to time. Change is not always linear, and that's okay. The important thing is to remain gentle and loving toward yourself. Each time you return to these affirmations, you are reinforcing your commitment to your growth and transformation. As you move forward, continue to integrate these practices into your daily life. They can be as simple as taking a moment to breathe deeply and express gratitude for the present moment. It's in these small practices that you'll find profound shifts in your energy and outlook on life. And remember, dear ones, you have the power within you to create the life you desire. You are a divine being deserving of love, joy, and abundance. By releasing blockages and thinking about your true essence, you open the door to a world of possibilities. Let this journey inspire you to take bold steps toward your dreams. Trust that as you clear your energy and align with your highest self, everything you seek is already on its way to you. Also, let's take a moment to focus on the power of intention. When you set a clear intention for your life, you create a roadmap for your thoughts and actions. Intentions serve as a guiding light, helping you navigate through challenges and distractions. Start by asking yourself what you truly desire. What would you like to manifest in your life? Perhaps it's improved relationships, a thriving career, or a deeper connection with your true self. Whatever it is, write it down. Seeing your intentions in written form makes them tangible, and it becomes a powerful affirmation of your commitment to attracting what you seek. It's important to cultivate a mindset that supports your intentions. This means surrounding yourself with positivity. Seek out uplifting content, books, podcasts, or videos that inspire and encourage you. Pay attention to the people you spend your time with. Choose to be in the company of those who uplift you and resonate with your energy. This environment will serve as a fertile ground for your intentions to flourish. Next, incorporate practices that foster a sense of mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of the thoughts and emotions that arise throughout your day. When you notice negative or limiting beliefs, pause for a moment. Acknowledge them, but don't dwell on them. Instead, gently redirect your focus back to your intentions. You might even create a simple mantra that reinforces your goals, such as "I am capable of achieving my dreams," or "I attract positive energy into my life." Repeating these mantras daily can reinforce a mindset of abundance and possibility. In addition to mindfulness, consider the power of visualization. Spend a few moments each day imagining yourself living your desired life. What does it look like? How does it feel? Visualization is a powerful tool that helps you align your energy with your intentions. The more vividly you can see and feel your desired reality, the more likely it is to manifest in your life. Allow yourself to fully experience the emotions associated with your visualization. This practice not only enhances your clarity, but also raises your vibrational frequency, drawing your intentions closer to you. Moreover, let's talk about the importance of self-care in this process. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and spiritual needs is crucial for clearing blockages. Make time for activities that nourish your spirit, whether it's spending time in nature, practicing yoga, meditating, or engaging in a creative hobby. These practices rejuvenate your energy and help you connect with your inner self. As you nurture your well-being, you also create a solid foundation for your intentions to take root. Prioritize self-love and self-compassion. Recognize that you are deserving of all the love and happiness in the world. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during challenging times. This will empower you to move through obstacles with grace and resilience. Now, as we draw this experience to a close, it's essential to reflect on the commitment you've made to yourself over the past few days. The journey of clearing energy blockages and attracting positive energy doesn't have to end here. It's an ongoing process that requires patience, dedication, and self-love. Allow yourself to take this practice forward into your daily life, integrating it into your routine in a way that feels natural and supportive. As we finish this together, I want to invite you to pause and honor your own commitment to growth. Acknowledge the steps you've taken to create a positive change in your life. You have the power to transform your reality, and it starts from within. Think of the journey of self-discovery and healing, and trust that you are on the right path. Now, as we conclude, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on everything we've discussed. Think about the intentions you've set, the affirmations you've thought of, and the energy you've cultivated. Allow these thoughts to settle in your heart, knowing that they are seeds of possibility. And as we part ways, I encourage you to share this journey with others. If you found this experience valuable, please like this video. Your support helps spread these powerful messages to more people who may benefit from them. If you haven't already, subscribed to the channel. By doing so, you ensure that you won't miss any future content that can inspire and uplift your spirit. You can also share this video with your friends and loved ones who might be seeking clarity and growth in their own lives. Invite them to join you on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. When we share knowledge, we create a ripple effect that can inspire positive change in our circles. Additionally, consider leaving a comment below. I love hearing about your experiences and insights. Your feedback not only encourages me, but also fosters a sense of connection among those who are on similar paths. Together, we can create a supportive space for growth and healing. Lastly, I encourage you to take a moment to think of how you can integrate the lessons from this experience into your everyday life. Carry this energy of positivity and intention with you. Each time you revisit the affirmations and practices we discussed, you reinforce your commitment to your well-being. Thank you for being here today. You are an incredible being, capable of amazing transformations. Keep shining your light brightly and know that the universe is supporting you every step of the way.